Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today let's see this question find the value of this one. So now first thing, now we'll write this question again over here. Plus 2 raised to 1 by 2 plus 2 raised to 1 by 4 plus 1. So now what we can see here, directly we cannot find with this one, so we have to put some value over there. So what are we going to do? We are going to take as, let us take putting this 2 raised to 1 by 4, we'll take this as x. So what we get, let's see. So now what are we going to do? The first part, the first bracket will keep as it is, because we already have the 2 raised to 1 by 4. So in the second one, see here, whenever we write here 3 by 4, 3 by 4 is nothing but 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4. And 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 2 times. And 3 by 4 is, this 1 by 4 is going to be 3 times. So what are we going to write here for this one? 2 raised to 3 by 4, we'll write here x raised to cube. So now here we can do one thing, directly we can write here x, because we already put the value. Now for this one we can write here x square. For this part we can write here x, and this will be, what will be as it is. So now what we can do again, we'll write here x minus 1 same. So now you can see in the second bracket, what we can see here, we have 4 terms. So what are we going to do? We will split it into 2 parts. So in the first part, what you can see that x square is common. So what remains in the bracket is x plus 1. In the second part, here nothing is common, means what are we going to do? We are going to write here 1 and this x plus 1 as it is. So now what we can do here, first now let us write the first bracket as it is. In the second one, we can see this x plus 1 is the same in both the brackets, so that we can write it only once. So that is going to be x plus 1. And then in the other bracket, we will write here what is outside the bracket, that is x square plus 1. So now let us write that x square plus 1. So now what we can see here, that this is, when we combine this and this, what we can say, this is a minus b and this is a plus b. So we know the formula for a minus b and a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So we can do here, we can write here x square. A square means a is x over here. So we'll write here x square minus 1. And this part is going to be the same, that is going to be x square plus 1. So now again what we can see here, again this is in the form of a minus b and a plus b. So now what we can do, again that a minus b and a plus b means that is going to be a square minus b square. So here actually we have square of it, so we can write it a square, means a is here x square, so square of that is going to be x4 minus 1. So now we got, this is the single step over here. Now we cannot do further anything for this one. So what we can do here, we have considered this 2 raised to 1 by 4, that we have considered as x. So what will we write here? For this one, 2 raised to 1 by 4 is x, but then we have this exponent is 4. So that we are going to write it over here, and this is minus 1. So what, this and this gets cut. So that 2 raised to 1, that is going to be 2, and that is minus 1. So that is, the answer should be 1. So this is the final answer. So by this one, we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.